Tech Days 2024 wove a tapestry of innovation from the threads of peripheries, spaces often deemed distant,
space activities,
marginal, or invisible. This year's theme was an ode to the edges where the unknown breathes and where the pulse of new ideas often beats strongest. In exploring these liminal zones, the conference revealed how technology and art transform isolation into inspiration.
But we will also go a bit back to the space as well.
The periphery became a stage for untold stories, uncharted creativity, and an alternative to conventional narratives. It celebrated the beauty of decentralization, reminding us that the heart of change often lies far from the center.